Jai Srimannarayana. 51st Sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Drishtvedam Manusham Rupam Tava Saumyam Janardana Idanim Asmi Samvruttaha Sachetaha Prakrutim Gataha. Om. Keep meditating upon Sri Krishna Paramatma's most pleasant form. Also keep on enjoying the tenderness, the majesty, the kindness, the grace in Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine form towards you. Only with that kind of meditation you will definitely able to get back to your original state. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry, Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon your most pleasant form. I shall also keep on enjoying the tenderness, grace, kindness, majesty, mercy in you towards me. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart." Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nikamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukadamrutadravasanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 203rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma became so many baby cows, so many gopalas, and then he started taking care of himself. He is now making himself eat the grass. He is playing with himself. He is laughing with himself. He is smiling at himself. He is enjoying with himself, like Kridan Atma Viharaischa Sarvatma Pravisat Vrajam. While he is enjoying in playing, laughing, talking, smiling with himself, and he is enjoying with himself in every possible way, then by evening he entered into Brindavanam. Tat vatsan pruthak nitva tat goshte nivesya saha tat atma bhavat tat sadma pravishtavan. He became Balavatsarupampulato Andari Dodla Gruhambulan Pravesinchi. With the forms of so many boys, with the forms of so many baby cows, Krishna Paramatma entered into Brindavanam by evening, and then as baby cows, he entered into that many the cow sheds. And as so many boys, he entered into their own houses. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter 51st sloka. Drishtvedam manusham rupam tava saumyam janardana idanimasmi samvruttaha sachetah prakritim gataha. Drishtvedam manusham rupam tava saumyam janardana idanimasmi samvruttaha sachetah prakritim gataha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.